Hey guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make ripe plantain lasagna. Yeah, I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious ripe plantain lasagna, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. In the month of October, I will be uploading videos every day for the entire month of October, okay guys? And it's gonna be called Vlogtober. I nearly forgot the word. Yes, I did this last year, so I'm gonna do it back again. So you guys come back every day for a video from me, alright? Every single day. And today I will be uploading 3 videos as well. So when you don't watch this, look out for another one and another one. Alright? So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious plantain lasagna. And all my measurements and ingredients for this dish will be in the description box down below. And I also want to ask you guys to please watch my ads in my video. When you guys watch the ads in my video, that helps me out a lot, alright? And I want to ask you guys also to please check out my playlist as well. I will leave that link in the description box down below. And I also have a second channel. It's called Natural Afton. I will leave that link also in the description box down below. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my ripe plantain lasagna. It's gonna be so delicious, guys. You need to try this recipe. Enjoy. Okay guys, so these are my ingredients for my ripe plantain lasagna. So over here I have some paprika, chili powder, black pepper, all-purpose seasoned onion powder, and 1 cube. Here I have my beef mince, some tomato paste, red wine, mustard hot sauce, and green seasoning. Also I have my Worcestershire sauce. Over here I have some ripe plantain that I cut up, some carrots, shallots, chopped up onion, chopped up garlic, and ginger, and Wiri pepper, and cheese. And here I have my sweet corn. So let's start. So let's start cooking everything. So the first thing I'm gonna do, guys, I'm gonna pour about 2 tablespoons of oil into this pan. So now I'm gonna pour in my onion, garlic, ginger, shallot. I'm gonna mix it up and we're gonna let it fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll be back. Okay guys, let's fry it down. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in some lime. You have to take out those seeds. For the lime seeds. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna pour in my tomato paste. And my green seasoning and mustard hot sauce. I'm gonna put that out. And my red wine, and my Worcestershire sauce, and mix everything together. Just like this. So now you're gonna flavor it. You're gonna put in your spices. So I'm gonna put in my cube. Black pepper, onion powder, ginger powder, chili powder, paprika. Stir it up. Now guys, I'm gonna pour in a cup of water. I just wash out the tomato paste then. Into a washing side and just have some water away. So now I'm going to stir this up, and I'm going to cover my pot and let it simmer for about, say, 15 minutes. So we'll be back in 15 minutes. Okay guys, so while my mince is cooking, I'm gonna fry my ripe plantain here. So we'll be back. Okay, so my plantain finished frying, so I'm gonna take it out and fry the rest, and we'll be back. So guys, my mince has been frying up for 15 minutes, so that's all done now. So the last thing I'm going to do is just pour my sweet corn, mix it up, and it's all finished. So when I finish frying the ripe plantain, I'll show you guys the next step. So we'll be back. Okay guys, so everything finished. My plantain finished frying. I have some grated cheese, some more plantain, and this is the mince here, and this is the empty container. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take about a spoon of the mince and just put it at the bottom here, just like this. And then I'm gonna take some plantain and just put them across. Just like this. Oops. I hope you guys are seeing properly. Yeah. So I'm just gonna put some plantain right away, all over the bottom here, just like this. Yeah, see? Yeah, just like this you can put the plantain, and then I'm gonna put some more mince again. Spread it all over, just like this. And then you're gonna pour in some cheese. Alright guys, this is my ripe plantain lasagna. Alright, this is so simple to make, very simple. Then you're gonna start it all over again. Well, my plantains are really ripe, so that's why it's smashing up, but that's okay. You can use half ripe plantain if you want. So pour in the plantain, just like this. Perfect. I like to use the overripe plantain because it can be, I just prefer using the overripe plantain. But you can use the half ripe plantain if you want, alright? So, I'm going to press this down here, and we're going to pour in some more mince. Just like this. Spread the mince all over, just like this. Alright guys, I'm going to show you guys everything properly because I'm using one hand to video and one hand to do this. Alright, so, and then on the part now you're going to pour some cheese at the top, right? And then you're going to put this in the oven to bake for about 20 to 25 minutes. So see you guys in 25 minutes with the end results. Alright, so we'll be back. Alright guys, so my ripe plantain lasagna is all done now, so I'm going to let it cool down a little bit and then I'll show you guys the end results. We'll be back. Alright guys, so my plantain lasagna has been resting out the oven for about an hour. So I'm gonna cut it and So you guys see here. Cut here. Oops. Make sure I get all. Alright, so I'm gonna take this here and try to get it out. The best way I can here. Alright, okay, I didn't do a good job getting it out fully. Alright, let's try again here. Okay, let me try it off camera. We'll be back. Okay, so I finally got to take out the whole piece here. So this is how it's looking here for my ripe plantain lasagna with mint inside. Oh my god, guys, I can't wait to bite into this. This looks so good. Alright, I'm gonna taste this on camera and let you guys see. Oh, I'm so excited. Hear me. Okay guys, I'm ready to eat my ripe plantain lasagna. It's gonna be so good. I know it. I just know it's gonna be good. So this is my ripe plantain lasagna. I have mint in it as well. So I'm so excited to eat this. So here it goes, guys. You have the cheese. You have the ripe plantain. It have the mint. What else more you need to ask for? Oh my god, here goes. Guys, trust me, you need to try this recipe. Wow, it's really good, guys, really good. So I'm taking another spoon here. Me here now, like if I want to eat the lasagna. Guys, try this recipe and then leave a comment down below and tell me how you guys enjoy it. Alright guys, so if you reach at the end of the video, thank you so much for watching the full video, and also don't forget to watch the ads at the end. Alright, please and thank you. And I'm so hot right now. And also want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my second channel, Natural Afton. Alright, and I hope you guys try this recipe and leave a comment and tell me how you guys enjoy it. Alright, so take care and have a blessed day, and don't forget to come back every day in October. Right, I'll upload a video every day in October. It's gonna be a little different, but I'll announce what I'll be doing tomorrow so you guys can see. Take care and bye.